Sir, respected teachers, distinguished guardians, seniors, and newcomer students. Assalamu alaikum. I am the student of this institution from batch TM20, myself Rafid Ahmed Munim, welcoming all of the newcomer to our institution from the core of my heart. First of all, I want to say thank you for giving me the floor to express myself in front of you. Today is all about the new faces we are seeing around us who have just admitted to the college. I know just like me, you also want to serve the humanity. I'm sure you all were excited when you were getting ready today. You would have felt a tingling on your stomach. You were thinking, what would be the teachers like? Who will be my new classmate? What would be the campus look like? This is so much you all were curious about. I would like to assure you that you are in great hands. The teacher of Tyrone Memorial